iPhone deal. iPhone 13. Original price $949.99, and you can save $150. Now you need to pay $799.99. And this is iPhone 13 Pro, and original price is $1,169.99, and you can save $170 on this product. Now you can get this in $999.99. And this is also iPhone 13 Pro Max. Original price is $1,269.99. You can save $170 on this product, and now you can get this in $1,099.99. Wow, great deals. There is the deal of Microsoft Surface Pro 8 bundle Intel Evo platform. So this is the laptop. So original price is $1,349.99, and you can save $350 on this product. You can get this one on $999.99. HP Chromebook. Original price $349.99. You can save $100 on this product. Now you can get this Chromebook is $249.99. So this is the Chromebook. Quick and fast. So there is a Dell 13 Inspiron laptop Intel Evo platform. Last one. So this is for only display, but you can get this item in $649.97. So this is the price. You can see the memory is 16 GB and Windows 11 Home. Storage is 512 GB SSD. Displays 13.3-inch graphics, or let's see the graphics. Okay, there's a graphic, favorite, vibrant video and images. Intel UHD graphics. So LG laptop. LG 17-inch laptop Intel Evo platform. Original price $1,499.99. You can save $400 on this product, and now you can get this in $1,099.99. Wow, again very good. Intel Iris X graphics, operating system 11, Windows Home, and memory is 16 GB and storage 512 GB SSD. Display 17-inch. Wow, it's great. Lenovo Slim 71 14-inch laptop Intel Evo platform. Original price $1,199.99. You can save $300 on this product, because now you can get this item in $899.99. And all these features: operating system Windows 11, memory 16 GB RAM, and storage is 1 TB and terabyte. Yes, display is, let's check the display of this computer is touch screen, 5.2 million pixels to swipe, pinch and amaze. So LG power long lasting codeless vacuum. So this is all the configuration of this. Power performance runs up to 100 minutes and portable charging stand. So original price is $399.99. You can save $15 on this product. Now you can get this item in $349.99. Wow, amazing. And this is the product with stick. You can see original. So iRobot Roomba 18 plus Wi-Fi connected robot vacuum. Now you have no need to worry about to clean the house, because this robot is here. Original price is $699.99. You can save $120 on this product. Now you can get this item in $579.99. So i8 plus. So this item holds 60 days of debris. You can see. Beautiful. This switch button. So Oral-B Smart Clean 360 toothbrush. Original price is $99.99. You can save $30 on this product. Now you can get this item on $69.99. Remove 400 more aqua from your cheeks. So Duracell power batteries, all 12 years guaranteed. Duracell alkaline batteries, AA 40 pk. Instant saving $3 because original price is $20.99. Now you can save $3 on this product. You can get this item in $17.99. Air purifier with Wi-Fi 4-stage filter. Original price $129.99. You can save $30 on this product because now you can get this item in $99.99. It's a great saving. If you are looking for the air purifier, go for it. You can get this item online as well as from the warehouse. So that's all I have it today. I will see you in the next video with more discounts, with more savings. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe this channel and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.